While you do your research, you may come across articles and you might wonder whether or not the library has them in full text. For instance, let's say you are searching PubMed and come across this article and would like to know whether or not the library carries the New England Journal of Medicine. You can find full text using Ejournal Finder. To use Ejournal Finder, you're going to need to know the name of the journal. As you can see here, it's the New England Journal of Medicine, and you can see the full title by hovering over the abbreviation in PubMed. You will need to know when the issue was published. So this article was published in the December 26th, 2019 issue of the New England Journal of Medicine. Things like volume and issue number are helpful but not necessary. To use Ejournal Finder, you will start on the main library page. You will type in the journal title, or some popular abbreviations will also work. And you will be brought to a result list that lists the electronic resources and links, as well as a way to search for our print holdings. We will not search the print holdings in this video, but I just want to let you know that it is there for you as well. The electronic link often will contain the coverage dates. So for instance, we have full text for the New England Journal of Medicine beginning in 1990, and it is up to date. If you are looking for an article that does not fall within our print or electronic coverage, you may click on this link and submit an interlibrary loan, and we can try to get the article from another library. To proceed to check to see if we have the 2019 December 26th issue, we'll click on the Massachusetts Medical Society Access link. Since we're off campus, you will need to log in. To log in, you'll use your full nwhealth.edu email address, and you will use the password you use to log into your email or the library computers. You will often be brought to a landing page or an archives page. It doesn't always look exactly like this, but they're very similar, laid out by years. We are looking for the 2019 issue published on December 26th. So I'm going to scroll down to December 26th and click on that link. And you will see a list of all the articles that were published in that issue. Scrolling down, I find the article that I'm looking for, The Effects of Intermittent Fasting. I'm going to click on it, and I will reach full text. It is available to me now. It was not before I logged in. Also on the left-hand side, you can see there's a download PDF link. Most publishers have very similar setups. They may not look exactly the same, but this is how you use Ejournal Finder. If you are having difficulty finding full text to a specific article, please feel free to either submit an interlibrary loan request form or email the library at library@nwhealth.edu. Thank you.